Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making digital invitations with Canva. So let's get started. Open up Canva on your device. Then click in the search bar and type in invitations. Now there's going to be many different templates to choose from. Select whichever template you want and then you can change it to your liking. I'm going to choose the blank template and make my invitation from scratch. Now since I'm choosing a blank background, I'm going to need an image for the background. You can use an image that they have already in Canva, but I'm choosing to search on Google for a blue and pink ombre background to go with the theme of my daughter's party. Once you've found the image that you would like to use, you're going to save it to your device and we're going to upload it into Canva. So we're going to go back into Canva, click Uploads on the left, click Upload Files, look for the file you just downloaded onto your device, click on it, and then we're going to click Upload. Once the image has uploaded, you're going to select it. Now to make it your background, you're going to click the three dots and go down to Set Image as Background. Click that, and now we have a new background. Now that we have a background, we're going to start adding different elements to our invitation. My daughter had a Princess Peach themed party, so I went on Google and searched Princess Peach to find different images to add to her invitation. When choosing an image for your invitation, try to find one that's a PNG file and has a transparent background. That way, when you upload it onto your invitation, you won't see the existing background of the image. To save and upload the image into Canva, you're going to follow the same steps that we used for the background. Once the images are uploaded into Canva, you're going to select them or drag them over to the invitation and place them where you would like. Now I'm going to be adding some images from Canva. To do that, you select elements from the left, and in the search bar, you're going to type in whichever elements you would like to add. I'm looking for clouds. Once you found an image you would like to use, you just click on it and it will automatically add to your invitation. Then you can just resize it and place it where you would like. Now I'm going to add some sparkly stars to my invitation, and in order to do that, you just follow the same steps that you did for the clouds. I added a few of these star elements to my invitation to cover the whole background. In order to do that, you click on the plus sign icon, which will duplicate the image, and then you can do it as many times as you need. I wanted the stars to be behind the characters, so I clicked on the Positions tab at the top, and then under the Arrange section, I clicked Move to Back. That way the stars will be behind the characters. Just adding a few more images that are on theme with my invitation to make it look more interesting. Now it's time to create the name and the info for the invitation. You can use a font that's already on Canva, but I decided to use a Super Mario themed font from online. I googled Super Mario font generator, clicked on a link, and created my daughter's name. I wanted to change the color of the letters. This is completely optional. What you do is you go to Styles and you change each individual letter to the color of your choosing. Once you're all done, you're going to select the Background tab and change the background color all the way to 0. Then click Download, select PNG, and then click Download. Now we're going to upload it into Canva, and you just follow the same steps that you did for the background image and for all the characters. I followed the same steps for the next line of the invitation. Now I'm going to select the Text tab on the left-hand side to create a text box where I'll add all the details for the party, like the location, date, and time. All of the fonts I used will be listed in the description box below. Once finished adding all of the details for the party and adjusting all of the images, it's time to download. Click Share at the top, scroll down to download, and now there's a bunch of options to choose from. You could either leave it as an MP4 video file, so that way when you send it to someone else, the images still move, or you can change it to a JPEG, which is like a picture, or a PDF file. This is the completed invitation if you decide to print it out. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys!